Good morning. Hi again. It's Dan from Mini Warwick, and today I want to show you some adjustments and some enhancements to the active driving assistant, which has been around since 2020, but it's got a new feature for 22. So let's go inside. All right, so here's the button that controls all the features of your active driving assistant, and I'll show you. If you press it, it turns to orange, which means you've disengaged one feature. You can always put it back by checking. You see there's Frontal Collision Warning, which is for when you're going 37 miles an hour or faster. It does prep your brakes so that they apply quicker. Pedestrian Warning is when something is close to you when you're going under 37 miles an hour. In that case, it does apply braking briefly, but then you would have to continue to stop the car. And the third is a lane departure. That's the new feature for 2022. If that vibrating in the steering wheel for the warning of the lane departure is something you don't want, you can press this to deactivate that, but still have the other two features engaged. If you want all three, you can just press it again, and if it's green, they're all ready to go. So if you're interested in checking out these minis, these great new features, or just the great ride that you're always going to get, come on down to Mini of Warwick, and one of us will be happy to help you.